I'm not going to tell you.
Is it what?
Is it what?
Or is it a guinea pig? Is it a guinea pig?
What you going to name them? You know
I'm
what?
going to name it Garrett.
You know what would be a good name for one of them?
Yes.
Jimmy. And the other one could be JoJo.
What is that?
Says not to be
around
from Garrett.
They'll be excited. What?
They're not.
What? I made your what house? Oh, guinea pigs. Guinea pigs. I made your guinea pig house.
Spread your legs apart. Spread your legs like shells.
Ah.
And put them inside my legs like this.
Set.
Okay. Now put your legs down flat so he can't climb underneath it. There. Now we're going to let him walk around here. Pet him.
What's he doing?
He's just standing there.
Is he not, what's he doing?
He's not doing anything.
He tickled. Is he was going to last on me? There. Oh.
Do you want to pet him?
What's he doing?
He's just walking around. He can't. He wants to get out.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's kind of sweet. This one's sweet. That's Michelle.
Yeah. As long as, yeah. You want to put the other one in here too? Let me see that one, Mama. Let me see if he'll. Come here, Waldy. There. Look, Gary, they're both in here. Go visit your friends.
What is that one doing over there?
Just hanging out.
Hey.
Chill.
Oh no! Don't go for.
Uh-oh, he's backing up. Push him forward. There you go.
Oh, it's going
Hey.
fast.
Rub him. Rub.
Make him warm. There you go.
What's he saying?
He's laughing.
Now he's crying.
He's not crying.
Hey,
He's chattering. You know how they say rats chatter when they're happy?
He's talking to you.
does he have a tail?
No.
It's a guinea pig, but it's the same family.
Look, he's not falling.
No.
Oh,
This is
so
under his shell's leg.
Oh no. Let me get him.
he's lost.
Okay. There, he's not lost. You want to see?
I
Okay, wait,
wanna
look.
look at the. I wanna look in the rat in the camera.
He's not
Let him
right.
get him, buddy.
Oh, I wanna look at the.
Can you pick him up?
I wanna look at the kid. Hey, I want him to
Listen.
gotta hold him.
Can you pick him up? Okay, I'm gonna turn it around.
I wanna look.
Do you see him?
Don't pinch him.
No, just rub him, buddy. No.
Don't touch his eye.
Poor thing. He might have to come live with you.